Traffic.
Oh no, that's him up there.
Oh.
Oh no, that's a B-24. Get your camera out. Film it. Landscape, high resolution.
Oh God.
Go
I can't.
quick.
Traffic.
I don't see it.
Right there.
Oh, there. Okay. What is a B-24?
The World War II bomber. Don't see that every day. Yeah, that's so cool. Okay, man.
Oh, I felt so much pressure there.
I know.
Mind you, you're flying an airplane.
And let's go talk to Daytona.
12047.
Daytona, Lancair, November 84 Golf Alpha.
50. Number 84 Golf Alpha, Daytona approach.
Just departed Spruce Creek Airport at 1,000 feet, about to go over the coast, requesting northbound along the shore at or below 1,000 feet.
Yeah, Daytona approach, good morning, Lance 103 Golf. Answer 4 Golf Alpha, maintain via force, altimeter is 2999 and squawk 0126 ident.
Squawking 0126 and ident.
Route 434, radar contact 5 miles south of Matthew Ranch Airport during the Rose 7 arrival, maintain 2,500 above for now.
That's 84 Golf Alpha, runway 31, clear to land, traffic departing as a Piper.
Looking for the traffic, 84 Golf Alpha. Clear to land. All right, now let's get our gear down. And,
Number 9900, contact Jack departure today.
Departure C9900.
all looks good. 3 in the green.
Augustine Tower 5099, November, holding short of 31 with Papa going to the south, VFR.
November 509, November St. Augustine Tower, runway 31, cleared for takeoff, left turn southbound, approved.
All right, now we're looking for 105 knots.
31 and southbound to the left, approved, 5099 November.
99 November traffic on a mile and a quarter final. Is a Lancair without delay, please.
Without the
And we'll get going and we'll look for the traffic, 5099 November.
Without delay.
Man, he didn't clear that guy to land, takeoff, did he? I mean,
Yeah, he did.
look where we're at here. I don't know if this is going to work out.
Oh, that guy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no. Oh my God.
God, this is close. We were going to get into a point where we may not be able to see him. Our landing speed is
More than his.
more than his top speed. No, we got it though. God, that was close. Okay, we're smooth. We got this. Coming right in here.
I set my adrenaline.
Oh, really? Because of that guy?
Because we're so
November 84
close.
Golf Alpha, turn left to Bravo 2, contact route 2117.
Turning left at Bravo 2 and we'll contact ground at 2117. 84 Golf Alpha.
And Piper 32191, and contact Jack's approach on
Yeah, that was close, girl. I almost told him we need to go around.
Approach 12075, thank you so much, have a nice day.
St. Augustine ground, Lancair, November 84 Golf Alpha at Bravo 2, requesting taxi to Atlantic.